You've heard the myths. Retread tires are not safe. But Shrader Tire Oil is busting those myths, once and for all. Myth number 1. Some say retreads are unsafe, that they can't be trusted on the road. But that's simply not true. Studies confirm that retreads are just as safe as new tires. In fact, 6 major studies, including those by the US Department of Transportation, have proven it. Think about this. 80% of aircraft land on retreads every day. If they're safe for the skies, they're safe for your fleet. Myth number 2. Think low-cost import tires save you money? Think again. Successful fleets know the real savings: more miles, lower costs, and a smarter investment. Why retreads? Why not? They're good for business, delivering 90% of the mileage of a new tire while reducing total cost of ownership. They're good for the planet, saving 100 million gallons of oil each year and keeping millions of tires out of landfills. With Shrader Tire Oil, you get the best in Michelin retread technology, ensuring safety, performance, and cost savings. Shrader Tire Oil. We keep the transportation industry rolling and safe.